Everyone try that. Brr. Thank you. Okay, Kieran, your turn. Go ahead. Oh, sorry. Kieran, go ahead.
Army.
Yes. Grr, as in?
Great.
Great job, Kieran. Xander, I never let you see your picture, so Xander, what would yours be for?
Teacher, did you call me?
Not yet. Frog. Nice job. Frog. All right. Sophia, now it is your turn. I heard in the background somebody saying tra. There's no U, so we say because we don't say tra-e, we say tree. Good job. All right. Zayden. Remember, if you're having a hard time with the blend, say each letter sound by itself, and then blend them together. Now say it really quick. Boo. Nice job. This line is a blur. Can you say blur? Blur. Boo. Good job. All right. Liam. Good job. What part of the tree is this? Stump. Nice job. That was perfect, Liam. Paulina. Good job, Paulina. Full, like in? Flower. Great job, Paulina. Petra. Yours is tricky. These ones, we don't say the sound separate. We have to stick them together, Petra. Good job. Like? Sheep. When S and H get together, they say shh. Good job. Cadence. Yours also have to stick together. We don't take the sounds apart. These ones stay together. Your picture can help you. So that first sound we hear is good job. As in chick. Great job, Cadence. Aaron. Good job. Like in Aaron, what's this a picture of? Skunk. Skunk. Nice job. All right, bracket. So get rid of the sound at the end. We just say drr. Say drr. There you go.
Drill.
And this is a
Dragonfly.
good job. So, yep, we just say dr instead of dra, we say dr. Good job. Deleza. So it has two sounds, you're right. It says v, and then it also says. Can you try that? So Deleza, I'm going to have you listen really close, okay? So I'm going to say the word 3, but I'm going to say the beginning part for a really long time. Ready? Here's the sound. 3. Your turn. Three. Good job. Landon. Two sounds, Landon. Good job. You have, and then we put, can you say it together? Per, your turn. Per, like a prince. Like Miss Prince. Per, Prince. Good job. Adrian. Good job. Put them together.
Cloud.
Good job. Cool. Cool. Page. Paige, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, do the sound.
Snap.
What's the first sound?
Snap.
Sn. Your turn. Sn. Good job. Like snail or snow. Samantha.
B.
First sound is b. Second sound is r. Can you put the sounds together? Good job. This is a picture of bread. Bread. Do you hear the brr in bread? Bread. Good job. Thanks, Samantha. Keela. Good job. Glue, like in glue. Can you say it again? Glue. Glue. All right, next card. Mason. Mason. Yep, say it really loud. Now say it fast. Cur, nice job. Like crayon. Cur, crayon. All right, Elias.
Spot.
We would say sp. Your turn. Sp. Sp. Good job. This is a spatch. Spatula. Can you say spatula? Spatula. Sp. Sp. Or we could say spoon or spin. Do you hear the sp? Sp. Good job. All right. Nicholas. Two sounds. There's no s. Check the first letter. Pull. Can I have you say it again? Pull. This is a picture of a pull. Plant. Plant. Good job. Plant. Pull. Plant. All right. I think everyone had a chance. Eli, did you go?
Nope.
Okay, Eli, here's your card.
Okay.
Two sounds.
Cell.
Very, very close. Sl. Your turn.
Less.
Sl. What's this a picture of?
I know Santa Claus rides it, but I don't know what this is called.
Sleigh or a sled? Can you say sleigh or sled?
Sled.
Sled. Sl.
Sleigh.
My turn. Sl. Your turn.
Sleigh.
So just the two sounds. Sl. You try.
Sleigh.
Sl.
Sleigh.
Sl. Good job, Eli. All right, we have a couple of cards left, but Miss Prince is just going to go through them really quick, just so we can get a chance to hear all of them. So your microphones will stay muted, and we'll just listen. These have three letters, so we have three sounds to put together. Spl. That was like the one Nicholas was trying to say. Spl. Like splat. Splat. Sk. Sk. Like scarecrow. Sk. Scarecrow. W. W. Like my favorite animal, whale. W. Whale. Last one. Stir. Stir. Like strawberry. Stir. Strawberry. Great job, boys and girls.